You're watching the FFT configuration video to help you learn how to use the FFT feature. By watching our tutorials, you can learn everything you need to know to use and generate your FFT spectrum in BeanScape software. Hey everyone, I am Atik from BeanAir Tech Support, and today we're gonna look through the FFT online data analysis configuration. In this video, you will learn about configuring FFT feature and generation the FFT log file and report. So let's get started. As soon as you open BeanScape software, you're gonna see the Bean device dashboard. On the right side, navigate to Online Data Analysis tab. Then click on Enable FFT box option to generate the FFT real-time graph, like that. And the two options related to FFT become lightened. Then check Enable FFT log file to save all the FFT values on your PC, then click on Validate. Now we're gonna move to the DAC configuration to configure our Bean device on streaming mode, then see the results. So, the FFT graph will be displayed after 10 seconds, right after starting the data acquisition. Now, let's move to see the FFT log file. So, you need to open log BeanScape folder located under your C hard disk drive. Then open your Bean device folder with its MAC ID. And you can see clearly that there is a new folder named FFT was created, which contains the FFT log file. And here we can see the frequency and the amplitude. Now let's go back to Online Data Analysis tab. And you can see here there is a gearbox icon. We click on it to get the FFT configuration menu. As default, it's set to auto option, and not everyone wants to use these options, so we can have few other options here along. Now let's try out one of each. You would not notice a big difference between these options in the results graph, but it's related to the algorithm processing behind. The FFT shift allows to rearrange FFT output by moving the zero frequency component to the center of the array. We click on Validate, close this tab. We can change also the number of points to manual by checking the manual checkbox and enter a buffer size, but here you need to notice that we should enter a sampling rate value lower than the buffer size. Click on Validate. Our Bean device on streaming mode, the sampling rate of 1000 Hz, and see the results. And here the FFT spectrum will be displayed after just 1 second, and all the values will be refreshed in real time. This is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.